how to add Instagram link to Facebook. In order to do that, let's head over right here first onto our Instagram. Once you have head over to your Instagram, click right here onto your profile icon on the bottom. Click on this share profile option and then click on this copy link right here. Once you have copied your link, head back right here to your Facebook and click on this edit profile. From in there, scroll down until you can see this link. Click on this edit right beside that. And then from in here, you can head over and add in here a social link. So for example, let's first head over and remove this one. And let's add another one. Just click on this add website and let's put right here the link. Now, make sure that it is actually on public. So as you can see, I have added that. So make sure to add this right here. And also click on this add social link if you want to target something. Like you can click on the platform, click on the Instagram, and add right here the username or your link right there. So I'll head over and paste it. Now from in there, you can head over and click on the save option right there. So that's how you add Instagram link to Facebook. Hope you helped.